In your Globe Smart Nightlight Plug box, you will find the Smart Nightlight Plug and your Quick Start Guide. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. Plug your Smart Nightlight Plug into the desired outlet to power the device. The back of the Smart Nightlight should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the power button for 5 seconds. Once the light is blinking rapidly, this means your plug is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect your Smart Nightlight Plug, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Device Discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. Wait a few moments for the plug to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Next. Tap Done. You can now control your Smart Nightlight Plug directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe home screen, select the Smart Nightlight Plug to access its controls. On the left side of your screen, tap the All button to turn on the plug and light simultaneously. Tap again to turn them both off. You can also manually control both features individually. On the Plug panel, tap the Plug button in the middle of your screen to turn the plug on. Tap again to turn your plug off. You can also turn your Smart Nightlight Plug on and off with the physical power button located on the side of the device. Select the color panel at the bottom of your screen to access the lighting controls. To control the light independently from the plug, tap On in the middle of your screen. Choose from a spectrum of RGB color options using the wheel or the preset options. You can also adjust the saturation and brightness using the sliders. Select the Mood panel at the bottom of your screen to access active lighting options. Customize the preset moods or tap Add a new mood to create your own theme. To explore automatic routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. Create timers and schedules for your Smart Nightlight to turn on and off. To set a countdown for your Smart Nightlight Plug to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Apply the timer to both devices, or deselect the one you do not want to affect by tapping on the icon. Use the option Add a new schedule to create additional routines that fit into your specific needs. You can let the schedule apply both plug and light features simultaneously, or deselect the one you do not want to affect by tapping on the icon. Customize the days of the week you want the schedule to be applied to, set the time and device status, and tap Save. Connect your Smart Nightlight Plug with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the Smart Home collection. Globe. Smart Home made easy.